Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to track your battery life on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So for this, we'll be using the Good Guardian application, which is available in the Galaxy Store. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can get a battery tracker, which gives you detailed insight into your power consumption. You can see which apps are draining your battery the most, track usage trends over time, and make smarter decisions to optimize your battery life. So first, you're going to go ahead and open up the Good Guardian application. Now here you'll find the battery tracker. So this will basically track your battery usage. So here you can go ahead and see a graph where it shows where your screen is on and what your battery level was at that certain time. If you scroll down, you'll see what application has used the most battery. As you can see, Facebook has used the most battery, then comes TikTok, and then One UI Home. Tapping on it will give you more details on the battery life. From here, you can go ahead and put the app to sleep as you wish. You can even change if you want to see the active time. So what apps you are active on the most. Down below, you can change it from the last 24 hours to last 7 days, and you can monitor your battery usage. So this basically helps you identify hidden battery hogs and take action before they run your device dry. So there you go, guys. That is how to track your battery usage on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.